know.
San Luis Obispo Tower, Bonanza 5637 Sierra, holding short runway 29 for a left downwind departure.
Runway 29 clear for takeoff.
All right, here we go, honey.
There we go, first flight, how exciting!
Here comes 70. No more usable runway. We got here coming up. This thing climbs at like 1,300 feet per minute, honey.
This is so cool.
Yeah, this thing's a rocket ship.